Now we are going to see how people can reduce the rate of development of antibiotic-resistant strains such as the MRSA. The number of strains of antibiotic-resistant bacteria has increased, and this is mainly due to the misuse of antibiotics. This had led to more infections that are difficult to control, particularly in the hospitals. And this is because as doctors and nurses move from patient to patient, these antibiotic-resistant bacteria are spread easily. And this is what happened with the MRSA. MRSA is a bacterium called methicillin-resistant Staphylococcus aureus. MRSA is very dangerous because it is resistant to most antibiotics. On the other hand, there is a number of simple measures that could reduce the spread of microorganisms such as the MRSA. These include the following. First, antibiotics should only be used when they are really needed, and this is to overcome the misuse of antibiotics. In addition, only specific bacteria should be treated with specific antibiotics. So there is a special antibiotic for each type of bacteria. Third, medical staff should wash their hands with soap and water or use alcohol between patient visits, and this to reduce the risk of spreading the viruses and bacteria between patients. As well as the visitors to the hospitals, they should also wash their hands as they enter and they leave. Finally, patients who become infected with antibiotic-resistant bacteria should be isolated from other patients, and this would decrease the risk of spreading the resistant bacteria. Finally, it's important to mention that the development of a new antibiotics is very costly and slow, and is unlikely to keep up with the emergence of new resistant strains. This is why these measures should be taken seriously.